What's up, you guys? I'm gonna plant some strawberries, and this year they're not going in the ground. So I decided to do something different this year and buy some bare root strawberries. These are runners from last year that have rooted themselves into the ground, and they take them and bundle them up without any soil and ship them right to you. I got about 50 plants. It's about 25 to a pack, and I spent about 30 bucks. Directions say that you can plant them right in the ground, or you can soak them for a few hours before planting. I still have some water from the last rain, and what a great way to rehydrate these guys than to give them some rainwater. We'll soak these guys for a couple hours and then come back when they're rehydrated. While the strawberries are rehydrating, we'll be preparing some soil. This is 1 part compost and 1 part raised bed soil. The raised bed soil was pretty dry, so I am adding some water to moisten it. Definitely don't want to work with dry soil, it's just going to suck the moisture out of our strawberry plants. I am also using rainwater here. I am very particular with what I water my plants at home, especially because city water is usually treated with chlorine. There is a way around the chlorinated water, but I'll leave that as a topic for another video. This is where we're going to plant our strawberries. Okay, and you see there's holes, right? That's where these little guys are gonna go poke through. Okay, so we're gonna start at the bottom. We're gonna fill it with some soil. Start at the bottom and put the plug them in. So
Plug them in?
Yeah, let's start by putting a little bit of soil in there first. Are you happy with that? Okay, let's put some soil in there. Let's see where that takes us. Okay, so that's enough for the first two. Just so that we can be careful, I'm not gonna use my gloves for this part. But you're gonna help me by putting soil. Okay?
Okay.
There's one.
Two.
Yeah, we can put 2 in each. 1 or 2, it doesn't matter. And the process continues. I fill the bag up to the next hole before putting in my next set of strawberries. Coming from this recent experience, if the roots have sprouts, be very careful. They can snap very easily. We continue this process until we get to the very top, water it, and then hang it somewhere where it can get at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight. My son hasn't had any luck planting strawberries in bed, so now we're trying hanging method. Wish us luck. Thanks for watching, and make sure you like and subscribe.